The power of £2. Support our vision to empower community and combat power abuse through restorative justice. Do you know, 2.2 million across London are living in poverty, and almost half of UK households are struggling to pay their energy bills. This winter, too many people in London are being forced to choose between heat, food, and human connection. A single £2 matters. Many £2 gifts move mountain. With your donation, we can provide nutritious meals, get more hours of heated community space, provide digital access supports, make food and activities at our festive gathering, provide a week of warm spaces and restorative justice circles. Donate today to make a difference. Thank you for standing with RJ4All and our community.